Caramelized pork and eggs. Let's make some call. Garlic and lots of black pepper. Smash it. Don't worry, the skin is for extra flavor, y'all. Boiled. Down some of my pork belly. Boiling my eggs as well. I'm gonna add about a half a cup of sugar. Using Mimi's knives. Look how fucking sexy this is. Use this one. I'm going to slice this like butter, baby. I love it. Clean my knife. Now I'm about to cut some ginger up, slice some ginger up. Now thinly slice them. Now I'm just gonna cook down my pork belly to get rid of all that grease. Ice water bath. Be careful with your sugar. Let it caramelize slowly. Low heat. Be patient. Slowly melting. Now you want it to look like this. Now add your garlic and pepper. Now add your ginger. A little bit of salt. Just a little bit. Now mix it all together. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Star anise. Then soy sauce. This soy sauce. Add about 1.5 teaspoons. A dash of this. Oh fuck, y'all know I don't measure shit. Now add water from where you smash your pepper and garlic. No flavor left behind, bitch. Add your pork belly in. Add my eggs in. Low medium heat and watch it turn brown. Make sure you constantly stir as well, because you do not want this to burn. It will be bitter. And you don't like bitter. I don't like fucking bitter. Trust me, y'all. I went through trials and error with this shit for 11 years until I aced this shit. Okay. Y'all know I use this faithfully. Add some of that in there. And y'all know I love bamboo in mines. Throw that in there. It's so good with bamboo, y'all. Oh my God. I was almost done. I add some green onions. Just some little sprinkles. And it's all done. Now you can eat it with some rice. In Laos, it's called tom kim.